Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class, we will see determinant 5 marks. Third question, dear students. So now what it is given you see here. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4. So this is the question, dear students. In this question, we have to find here what? Unknown, dear students. What are unknown? Unknown are nothing but x, y, z. These values we have to find in this question, dear students. So now, how to find this one? We will see one by one, stepwise. So first you write like this. The given system of equations. The given system of equations can be written in the form ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b, dear students. Then what is a? Maximum students will ask me, what is a, sir? So a is here, where a is, I will write here, where a is equal to, see, I am using square bracket, dear students. Big bracket you will say no. Square bracket I am using, not parallel lines. If you write parallel lines no, then it will become what? Determinant, dear students. Here I am saying matrix. So square bracket, what is a you see here, how to write? So in front of x what number is there? No, that you have to write here. So 3, and again in front of y what is that? Minus 2, and next 3. So give space and write, and now see here what is that? 2, 1, nothing is there means 1 here it is there. Z in front is what? Minus 1, then 4, minus 3, 2, dear students. 4 minus 3, 2. I wrote. This is your matrix A, dear students. So then what is x? X is nothing but what? Small x, y, z. Small x, y, z, dear students. So then what is b? B is what you see here. B is nothing but 8, 1, 4, dear students. 8, 1, 4. I hope it is clear. So 8, 1, 4. So then ax is equal to b. Why you have written? So you may think, sir, ax is equal to b, why you have written? So ax is equal to b means this is nothing but what the equation is there. No, same thing we have written here. So you can multiply and check. So a into x means what? You know how to multiply matrices. So a into x means first row, first column you multiply. So 3 into x, 3x is that. So second element to second. Minus 2 into y, minus 2y. Next is what? 3 into z, 3z. Is equal to what? B you have written. B means what? 8 is there or not? So that only I am writing, dear students. Clear? So yeah, first row, first column is what? And first row, second column is not there. Here also not there. So second row, first column if you multiply again you will get 2 into x, 2x. So 1 into y, 1y. So minus 1 into z is minus 1z. Is equal to how much? 1 you can say, dear students. I hope it is clear how we are writing. So now this a if you take on RHS. A if you take on RHS, it will become what? Therefore, it will become A inverse into B. So how to write A inverse? You see, dear students. A raised to minus 1. Don't write A dash. So if you write A dash, it will become transpose, dear students. So now see here. A I have taken this side. It will become what? A inverse into B. Clear everyone? So now, what is A inverse? So you call this as equation number 1. Where, see here, I am writing what is A inverse. So where A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Clear everyone? So how to write what is A inverse means? A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, dear students. I hope it is clear. So then I have to find x, y, z or not. So x is nothing but what? X, y, z only I have to find. Then if I have to find x, y, z means I have to find A inverse into B. So B is already given 8, 1, 4. Clear? So then how to find A inverse? A inverse is having this formula. Clear everyone? So A inverse if I have to find means, then I have to find what? Determinant A first, then what? Adjoint of A. Clear? So let us find determinant A. See here, how to write determinant A is equal to, see I am writing parallel lines here dear students. Before I was writing here square bracket or not for each one. So I am writing here what? For matrix A. So I had used what? Parallel lines here and it has become what? Determinant dear students. Clear? So what is A? A is what? 3 minus 2 and 3. So next is 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 3, 2 dear students. So this is your determinant we have written. So then I have to find determinant A only, no? So how to find determinant A, you see. We are having a formulas, can you remember? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So any row you can expand. This is a row 1, this is a row 2, row 3. Horizontally what you have written, no? That is row 1, this is row 2, row 3. And column 1, column 2, column 3. Vertical lines are called as column 1, column 2, column 3. So whichever you expand, you will get the answer same only. So now I am going to expand what? R1 dear students. Expand R1. See here, how to expand I will show you. Expand R1. R1 means what? Plus, minus, plus. So I am expanding this one. Can you see this? Plus, minus, plus. I am expanding R1, row 1. 3 minus 2, 3. So now how we can write, you see here. Determinant A I will write as is. So now see. Here plus is there. Plus into plus, plus 3. So 3 is where dear students? 3 is where? So it is there in first row, first column or not? If I leave, see here. If I leave first row, first column, what you are left with? 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2. So then you write that in determinant you have to write 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2. Clear everyone? So next minus, second term you come. Second term. Minus into minus plus. Plus 2 I will write. Where it is there dear students? Which row it is? In the first row, second column it is there. Yes or no? You have to leave first row, second column. What you are left with? 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 4, 2. 4, 2 dear students. So next you come for third term. Plus into plus, plus 3. Determinant I will write. So where plus 3 is there? See here. This is there in first row, last column. Correct? This is there in first row, last column you are left with 2, 1, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 dear students. So then, now, so we can simplify this one. 3 I will write as is. So see here, 1 into 2. How to multiply this one you see? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. After that you write minus. Before multiplying this and this, you write minus. Clear? Minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3 dear students. Once again I will say minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3 I wrote. Before you have written minus here. Understood? So now see. Plus 2 I will write as is. 2 2 ja 4. Minus sign I will write 4 into minus 1 minus 4 dear students. So 3 I will write 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus you write 4 1 ja 4 dear students. I hope everyone are understanding. So now see 3 into 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 dear students. So now see 2 into 4 minus into minus plus 4 dear students. So 3 minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 dear students. So now you simplify this still. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 4 plus 4 8. Plus into minus minus I can write 3 10 ja minus 30. So how much you got? Minus 3. 2 into 8 is 16. Minus 30. So minus 3 minus 30 is how much? Minus 33 plus 16. Will you agree? Minus 3 minus 30 is minus 33 plus 16 as it is. Minus 33 plus 16 is how much? That is minus 17, dear students. And minus 17 is equal to 0? No, no. If it is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So this is your determinant A. Determinant A, how much you got? Minus 17, dear students. A inverse exists. Why we are writing A inverse exists? Many of the students are asked me, A inverse exists, why we will write means, if determinant value is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. What I am saying? A determinant A is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. How means? 1 by 0 is not defined, dear students. 1 by 0 is not defined. If the function is not defining means A inverse does not exist. Got it? So here it is not equal to 0. Yes or no? So that's why A inverse exists, dear students. So please copy this. Let us continue the answer. So let us continue, dear students. I hope all of you have copied. So here A I have written for our convenience, because how to find adjoint of A is required. So now see, to find adjoint of A. So if I find adjoint of A, 90% of the work is over. So how to find adjoint of A? So now see, A inverse we know that already 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. So already we got determinant A, dear students. We have to find what now? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, how to find, you see here. First I have to find A11. First you make arrangement. A11. So next you have to write A12. Next you have to write A13. So you know this one signs very well. I will write it later. First you see A21, A22, A23. Next A31, A32, A33. Correct? So then what you have to make, you know, dear students. So just now we have written, signs in determinants, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Same thing you have to write here. Plus, minus, plus, you write here. Plus, minus, plus. Next is what? Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So next is what? Plus, minus, plus, dear students. Clear? So now, write determinants. See here, we are writing determinants, dear students. Please try to understand and write. Something, whatever strikes on mind, don't write. Determinants we are writing. We have written determinants. So this is the arrangement of what? Finding adjoint of A. Now how we will find, you see here. So A11 I have to find A11. So these are cofactors we will say in maths. A11 is what? First row, first column. A11 means this is first row, first column. You leave first row, first column, first row, first column. What you are left with? 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2, dear students. So next is what? Next is A12. A12 means what? You have to leave first row, second column, dear students. First row you leave, second column. You are left with what? 2 minus 1, 4, 2. 2 minus 1, 4, 2. So now next up. First row, third column you leave. Next is what? First row, third column. This is first row, third column. First row you leave, third column you leave. See, first row, third column. What you are left with? 2, 1, 4 minus 3. 2, 1, 4 minus 3, dear students. So next one you see. Second row, first column. Second row means what? You know this. This is the second row. I will show you. This is second row. Can you see? 2, 1 minus 1 is second row. You will use second row, first column. 3, 2, 4 you will use. Second row, first column if you leave, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2, dear students. This is second row, first column. Now, second row, second column you leave. See here, second row, second column. Second row, second column if you leave, 3, 3, 4, 2. 3, 3, 4, 2, dear students. So next up, second row, third column you have to leave. Second row, third column, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Clear? So next up, what it is? Third row, first column. You leave third row, first column. Third row you leave, first column you leave. You are left with minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1. Minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, dear students. So next up, you leave third row, second column now. Third row, second column. 3, 3, 2 minus 1. Will you agree? Third row, second column, if you leave 3, 3, 2 minus 1, dear students. Understood everyone? Is it clear? So next you see. Third row, third column. Means third row, third column, if you leave 3 minus 2, 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 2, 1, dear students. You are leaving third row, third column is 3 minus 2, 2, 1 I have written. So this is clear for everyone. So this is not required for us. I will erase this now. For your understanding purpose I have written, because I required A no for finding the adjoint of A. How these are coming I had shown you. Because of that I had written that one. That is not required to write in board exam now. So now let us see simplification. Simplification easily you can do. See here. Plus sign is there, you write or you may not write. Front, it doesn't make any sense. So now how to solve this one, you see. 1 into 2, 2. Minus I will write. Before multiplying minus 3 into minus 1, you write minus sign. So minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3. How much you got? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, dear students. This is your A11. Understood? So next you see. Next one, concentrate very high, because minus sign is there, dear students. Outside minus sign is there. Can you see here? Minus sign is there or not? So minus you write first. Now you know how to multiply. 2 into 2, 4 I can write, minus I wrote. 4 into minus 1, minus 4, dear students. So now see how to find this one. 4 I will write, minus into minus, plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 into minus is minus 8, dear students. This is what? A12, dear students. A12 is what? Minus 8. Understood or not this one? Everybody, it is clear, no? So if you are understanding the video, please like my channel, and those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So because each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support and help me. So let us continue the answer. So now see here. How to plus sign is there, you write or you may not write, doesn't matter. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus sign I will write. 4 into 1, 4. Understood? 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Before multiplying 4 and 1, I had written minus. 4 1 ja 4 I wrote. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, dear students. Everybody, it is clear, no? Understood? Understanding? So now see. Here A21 you come. A21 you see minus sign I will write. Minus sign is outside. Outside only I have written. So minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Before multiplying this both, I will write minus sign. Clear? So minus 3 into 3, minus 9, dear students. Can you see? So now see, minus sign outside, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 9. Clear? Minus into minus plus 9. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5 or not? 5 into minus is minus 5, dear students. Clear everyone? Understood this? A to 1 minus 5. Yes. Now let us move on next. Here plus sign is there. No need of writing. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. 6 minus 12 is how much? Minus 6, dear students. Clear? So next minus sign I will write. Understood? So 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So before multiplying this and this minus sign you write. 4 into minus 2 is what? Minus 8 or not? So now see, minus 9 minus into minus plus 8. Minus 9 plus 8 is how much? Minus 1. So minus 1 I can write. Minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, dear students. You got plus 1, dear students. A 2 3. Clear? So next we'll simplify this also. Minus into minus plus sign is there. You write or you may not write. Doesn't matter. I had already told you. Minus into minus plus 2 1 ja 2. Minus you write 1 into 3 3. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Clear? So next minus sign I will write 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus I will write 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus into minus plus 9, dear students. Everyone it is clear? Now last. Here plus sign is that you will write or you may not write. 3 1 ja 3 minus I will write 2 into minus 2 minus 2. Minus 4, dear students. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So minus into minus plus 3 plus 4 is how much? 7, dear students. 7, this is 7, don't get confused. This is 7. Clear? Huh? So now adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A, adjacent not adjoint of A. See here, adjoint of A is like this. We will write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, dear students, is equal to. So everything we have got this one. This is the formula for adjoint of A. A11, A12, A13. See here, in that pattern only I have written. Like this it is that. So in that pattern only. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Understood or not? So same thing I am following this. So now see, A11 is how much? Minus 1. A12 is how much? Minus 8. So next, minus 10. A13. So that is minus 5. A21. A22 is minus 6 plus 1. So minus 5, minus 6 plus 1, dear students. So next is what? A31 is minus 1 plus 9. A32, A33 is 7. So then I can write minus 1 plus 9, 7, dear students. Everyone it is clear how to find adjoint? Understood or not? Yes sir? So if you are understanding, please like my channel. So now see, dear students, now equation 1 becomes, equation 1 is what? X is equal to A inverse into B. Before I had you have written that one. I hope you have copied that. So X is equal to A inverse into B I had written or not. What is A inverse, dear students? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A. A inverse is what? 1 by determinant A. Determinant A is how much? Minus 17 or not? Minus 17. Then what? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A I am writing. So minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7. So into B you have written. B is how much? You are having B also, dear students. B is how much? 8, 1, 4, dear students. 8, 1, 4 is your B value. Is it clear or not? So now how to multiply, you know very well. 90% of the students again you will do the wrong thing here. Don't multiply 1 by minus 17 inside. First you multiply this into this. You know how to multiply this one. How will multiply? Row into column. How to multiply matrices you know very well. So I had done already on matrices also videos. Please go through them. In 5 marks I have shown how to multiply. So now see. So here can you see? First row, first column I have to multiply. Yes or no? First row, first column. Minus 1 into 8. Minus 8. First row, first column. Now second element to second. Minus 5 into 1. Minus 5. Third to third. Minus 1 into 4. Minus 4. All together you have to write because you are speaking about only one element. First row, first column. Only one element this is. Don't write minus 5, minus 8, minus 5, minus 4 separately. All together only one it is. So first row, second column is not there. I had stopped here only. Understood? So now see. Second row, first column now. Minus into plus, minus 8 8s are 64. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. 9 4s are 36. Understood everyone? So now, third row, first column. Minus 10 into 8, minus 80. 1 into 1, 1. 7 4s are 28, dear students. So now you can total them. So how much you will get, you see. We will add them. So minus 8, minus 5, minus 9 will give minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Minus 13 minus 4 is minus 17, dear students. Minus 17 we got. So write single element it is. So minus 17. So next minus 64 minus 6. Minus 70. Minus 70 plus 36 is how much? So that will give minus 34, dear students. Will you agree or not? You see. Minus 34 you will get. Understood? So now see. Minus 80. 1 plus 28 is 29. Minus 80 plus 29 is minus 51, dear students. Clear everyone? So now see. You multiply this inside. What you will get? See here. Minus minus get cancelled. Minus minus 1 by 17 into 17. 17 get cancelled. How much you will remain with? 1 or not? So here 1 by minus 17 and I will show you. 1 by minus 17 into minus 34 now. Second. Minus minus get cancelled. 17 1 ja 17 2 ja. 1 into 2 is how much? 2 only. Similarly, minus minus get cancelled. 17 1 ja 17 3 ja. So therefore x is nothing but what? X, Y, Z, no? In the, before video you have seen this one. So therefore, x value is how much? 1. Y value is how much? 2. Z value is how much? 3, dear students. And this is our required answer, my dear students. So I hope you are understanding. And this answer is correct or not? You can check with your equation. So equation was given as what? I will show you whether it is correct or not. 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, dear students. This was the equation. So if you put this values in this, it will satisfy or not, you can check. For your verification, I am saying it is not required, dear students. So now see, because you will ask for your friends in exams. So that's why, please don't do like that, because if they got wrong, no, you will also go wrong. So verify yourself only. Let us check whether it will give 8 or not. I am putting x, y, z values in this. So 3 1 ja 3. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. 3 3 is 9. Now see, 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 9. 9 minus 1 is how much? 8 or not? So 8 it is giving or not? So then my answer is, that is 200% correct, dear students. No need of asking your friends or anyone in board exams. Clear? So I hope it is clear. So if you are liking my video, if you are understanding my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you understood. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Copy this one.